Job. Mulweni Dumelang. I hope you're all good. My name is Mallory. Mostly bandazi ngoThabang. Shabang. So yeah, man, yeah.
Where you from? Where you
Um,
from? Yeah. What are you selling?
I'm what?
Are you selling something?
I'm selling nothing. I'm
So
from Philippolisi and then came this side for school and then kwaba izinto zomhlaba zenzeka and then I had those family and whatsoever and yeah I had to leave isikolo ndiyeka isikolo and then find umsebenzi. Yeah, yabona pha I saw my life after my mom's death. I saw intoni life without i-parent. So yeah man.
okay.
But ungabi too deep yini uba ndicingela hleketheni uba ndicingela
Yeah,
don't go too deep.
camera on, ingqondo iyalahleka
I don't
boy.
go too deep.
By podcaster straight.
Ngizawuzama uphendule ndizawuthela nesixhosa
Noba yintoni into ofuna uyithetha.
ndiyabuza
nguye naye uMaysester ngume
uyayivinisi le nto edibane nam ininzi le nto edibane nam so ndifuna uyazi
ngayo class
nifuna ugalela nto i-avashon
Necape.
ndifuna ikhepi qha andifuna ezi ava am yothatha
Which one? Which one is this one?
iyaqala hayibo sesiyaqala nje betina Sasiqalile.
Xa ngapha uyaqala.
sasiqalile yho
Seyiqalile?
hayi sawubanjwa emapoliseni xa
Yabo zintoni ezibe sizithetha?
nizikhathe ezi ezi bezizithetha nithi cut
leyoba ubona nomama umyelayo
hayi zanibambize ngabantu hayi siyithethe le ubanjwa nobanjwa noba namapolisa siyenza loo nto ndiyazi-introduce okanye nini bani-introducer
Uzazi-introducer wena ngokwakho.
bantu ngiba uyamosha nomosha tshomi
hayi bo Faith hayi bo Titi kanti
Siniqalile le wenya.
seniqale nyani
Yawo.
yo fanana ndijonga phi ke ngoku ekhemereni andibona njani eli langa
Just do it.
Zizaba mnyama.
Ndiyayithatha ke mna. Every beverage that comes ndiyayithatha.
zizaba mnyama
right
ndizawubambi zizaba
Yo,
mnyama
Steve.
zangathi zii-sunglasses
It's a great. Hey, what's cracking like in YouTube? I go by the name J Papa. Ladies can call me the Dick. Dick. Hey. Habo. Yo, what's cracking like in YouTube? I go by the name J Papa. Ladies can call me the Dog. Let me say, feel me on my dead. Diggling. Yeah, today, I'm the host. He's the co-host. I know what is introduce each and every episode is it? We have to introduce again because salimgile ngo
uthanda irap guy
Utokakambizi. What up everybody? It is your boy Public Meta Parts and welcome to another episode, guys. What is this? Episode 10 or 9? It's 9, 10. It's 10 this one. Episode 10. Episode 10. So guys, we consistent with this shit. Yeah, new episode. We have a guest. She's shy. Be nice to her.
Please, hey.
Ingredients. Be nice to her. She's gonna introduce herself right now. Yeah.
like Nabjo Mulweni Dumelang. I hope you're all good. My name is Mallory. Mostly bandazi ngoThabang. Shabang. So yeah, man, yeah.
Where you from? Where are you from? Yeah. What are you selling?
I'm what?
Are you selling something?
I'm selling nothing. I'm
So,
from Philippolisi and then came this side for school and then, kwaba izinto zomhlaba zenzeka and then I had to work.
yeah, before sigqithe kule kwinto zomhlaba, can you give us a clue uba zinto ezinjani ezo so abantu bazobona i-ID?
Oh, Jehovah. Okay, let's say family, man. It's yabo. It's a little bit tricky. There's a family and whatsoever, and yeah, I had to leave isikolo, ndiyeka isikolo, and then find umsebenzi. Can't
Yeah.
to provide for myself and then maintain myself also. I can't. So yeah, man.
So awunantoni add up. So you were independent by force.
By force,
Not by
man.
choice.
No, by force, by force.
Yeah.
Cha into ndizawuthini, after my mom passed away, I had to buy this kulisi and then thank you, yeah, man. So I had to this kulisi and begin to provide for myself because I came home and then I can't.
Yeah.
So yeah, man.
Yeah. So this is deep usangena. This is deep usangena. Quantity, you said it was a family and stuff. Yeah, there was toxic families.
Yeah.
So kuyo yonke laa xesha laa nto ibisenzeka, how did you deal with it? Yintoni encedileyo? Maybe there's someone out there ogoa through loo nto, so at least yintoni engamnceda uba akwazi uba kwinyamezela situation akuyo.
Let me just say, without God, andiqondoma benza balapha ndikhoyo ngoku, or I would still be alive because I feel like Lamjita saved me from many things, man. Hey, from many things. I'm one person ungathanda uthetha gqithi ngento endidlule kuzo or whatsoever, but I believe in prayer. So sometimes uthi uyothetha kumntu kanti uyayimosha.
Yeah.
Ngomso uzawuva egcela apha ediyala uba okay uthaba ngikhule nje kwatsha kwacima what yabo.
Yeah.
So I believe in praying, man, and asking God uba makakuncede in all of that, you see. So yeah. And I also have a best friend, shout out to her. Inamaliti, she's been with me. Sarah Kage story said to Scarlet is, but anyway, we're not there. But shout out to her, man. No mali. Asazi mazamantombazana asenjani. Very toxic xa sithandile, but asikho apho. Asikho apho. But yeah, man, uncedile and most of the time bendithetha naye and then should advise me to do certain things, or mostly should say pray mntase man yabo kho nto edlula umthandazo and ukhuliswe ngawo kakade endlini. Yeah, I would say Inam mostly. Inam.
Mandini, because so that was one of the questions like we wanted to touch on about like who else, like besides your family, who else gives you support?
Yeah, okay.
Like serious.
I'd say Inam. I'll also say my colleague Nikki. Shout out to her.
Shout out to Nikki.
Hey, that one. You see, she's been with me through it all, man.
Nikki. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Those are the people that were besides me and all of that bancedile to achieve certain things in life.
Yeah. So you besides izinto ezinzima osuke kuzo, are you grateful for the for the people that you have right now, like ever.
Yeah, I'd say I'm very, very much grateful.
And the life.
And the life, I'm very much grateful because ndikhulile and certain things andisaziboniswe so seqaleni, you see. So ngoku I have experience, but okay, xa kenzeka so ndiyenza njani, you see. And then how do I deal with that emotion or whatsoever, and ndidlula kuyo. Yeah.
Wanna ask anything?
What emotions, yeah?
Yes, zininzi kaloku ndiyasiheta nosiheta nina ngingcole gqithi.
Amadoda. Ayikho amadoda. Nah.
Ndiyakuxelela ichimila thetha.
This is a blue land.
Thetha.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hayi.
Cima camera kaloku.
Yarecord camera. Yeah.
Hi. Hello, hi.
Ngathi ngamabhulu la apha esiponini. Ngikusiye ngathi
Yo. Yeah, recorded. You, what's going on?
Yeah.
Okay, we sleep then.
We're still talking about supportive friends and.
So you feel like Hekibawe? Yeah, we have.
No, yeah, we want the emotions.
What the?
Uyayifuna le ndaba ye-emotions.
Uthe
Uyayifuna le ndaba ye-emotions.
Uthe nani, you're part of the emotions. Ngoba no nani.
Yeah, okay. Hayi bo, zininzi emotions guys, ngamadoda, nini, umsebenzi, yiyo yonke leyo nto. Kubani utshoyo?
I'm telling you.
Kubani utshoyo? Can you prove that?
Yes. Who's your president? A man. Who's your deputy president? A man. Yeah. Who's your pastor? A man.
My ear for my van. Say macho.
Okay, I'm not getting a party emotions. I try to now. Yeah, well. So, you feel like it's therapy when you're not a man?
My guy, and so I don't think she can answer that.
Okay. So, if you're not with therapy, do you feel like that getting the better goes about me?
I'm not sure. I think I've healed, but not healed, but I have, and I feel like it doesn't get tiny. Even if you go to therapy, ongena supportive friends, supportive family, I can't dissolve. Yeah, you see, I can't dissolve because of figure out emotions, whatever that you're going through, and then confidently in the hands. Figure out situation that you're.
Thing is on.
So
Can you
yeah.
hear us? Yes.
So I therapy for now. I don't think it would help me or whatsoever. I feel like I know those are theta, right? And because there's nabanye abantu. You see, I
Like to speak to people or those now.
So,
yeah, or keeping some things to me, certain things to me.
Party. No, let's just party.
You know, like,
Yeah.
I pakla
Okay.
music one. Yeah. Let's just find.
Nah. So you feel like therapy nga-triggerisha izinto osewuhile kuzo ekubuyisela umva.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because ufika kwakho phaya ufuna ukuqalela phansi.
Yeah, uthethe ngazo.
Qale
But
phansi.
now I feel like as a youth, yayibona irate ye-suicide inenze njani. So a lot of kids and like iintanga zethu bayazibulala because into yoba abana family supportive okanye bafuna uthetha. Yabo. Ingxaki lawe ungathetha netshomi yakho namhlanje ke mfethu kwenzeke 1 2 3 ngoba ndikhula so into yandisokolisa.
Yeah.
Next day siyaxabana ngoku staff ujikelela yabona. So I feel like sometimes abantu fanele bafumane indlela yokukhopha neengxaki zabo. without besides i-therapy.
Yeah.
Yabo, so xa involve abantu sometimes ebomini bakho kwinto ongxaki ukugqitha kuzo.
Which is when, like, since ungayanga kwi-therapy and thing, like zeziphi, like what is your therapy leyo uzicreatele yona like emhlabeni wakho? What is your therapy? Or like deciding your mental health and izinto ezinjalo. What is your therapy ukuba ikhuphe kuyo yonke laa nto?
Okay. For me, I think I haven't dealt ngezinye izinto that happened in my life. I just kuthiwani ndiyazisusa nje like yabo, and then I'll just kuthiwani most probably I'd listen to music most of the time and then just vent.
Gospel.
Ndimamela kwanto.
Gospel.
Kwanto, but mostly gospel. Yabo. And then after, I feel like after that,
Rebecca Malu.
no,
Shout out to the
yeah, but so
Shout out to Ferry, man. Shout
man.
out to Ferry.
So I feel like now I'll isolate myself,
Yeah.
deal it with dealing and then after that, after saying feeling about okay, I've dealt with it. Kungona ndayothetha kumntu uba hey yazi into entsho me this and this happened, but man khawuyeke yes yabo. So that's what into endisebenzelayo mna leyo, nothing else but that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it a good? Can I ask?
Hayi Fandeni mic yakho hapo nawe. Azino first studio pa.
Uyandiva mos.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it a good thing to use utywala as a coping mechanism?
For me it's not a good thing but izandibuye kuyo yonke loo nto Listen, I'm coming to that. My mom, before she passed away, she was using alcohol. Yes. So I am not judging anyone that is using utywala to escape from yonke into dilishanayo kanye that he or she is going through. So, but for me, it's not a good thing because ngomso after uselile namhlanje unxilile ngomso again when you wake up zikhona ingxaki ayiva. So akho solution. No, ungapha unebhabhalaza ibethe intloko nazi.
Yabona resisting much dayenzayo yabo. Bathi nowadays being nonchalant yabo, but abo nonchalant bawo aba understand balimaza the next person yabo. Being mna ngobona kwami, yeah, I can say I'm also part of those niggas. Yeah. So like ndimzama understand like khona and I this
You don't
thing of,
understand it.
but this thing of being nonchalant ayikho grand. Khona ndiyibona ngoku yabo. Okay, let me tell you something. Here's example. Being nonchalant sometimes, like gee uzama uba ne-aura or something. Sometimes you protect her peace of mind yakho. Uzama uprotector into negative back, but awuqapheli uba ulimeza the next person yabo. So I feel
like you are awukhathali.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm passing a message much nonchalant. Let's stop this shit, nigga. Yeah. Nilima manoma nonchalant.
There are girls that are nonchalant. Nasendvile futhi kuthi I'm one of them.
No, you're not. You're not.
Oh, yeah, I'm not.
Yintoni umjita o-nonchalant kuwe Thabang, and then kuwe Pablo injani imedi non-chalant?
Okay. Unjito nonchalant is unjito ngakhathaliyo, man. Unjito he doesn't care. He doesn't even ask you anything. For example, xa uzoventa kuye, he won't even ask. Okay, let me not say I'm venting. Let me say ufika endlini, you off, you off nje. He won't even ask you, okay, Chobi, what's happening? Thetha ndaba. Azi waya yonke loo nto. Qonda, wah, hayi andingeni nali. So yeah. And after that, gone kanje. After that, gone kanje. So for me, that's, yeah. Umjito ongakhathali, umjito ongakwazi ukubuza about, okay, today what happened at work or whatsoever. Umjito ongakhathaliyo nje.
So you think now you're like a soft girl?
Nah,
Yeah.
I'm not a soft girl, I'm just a girl.
I need some love.
That needs some love.
What is that? No,
I'm just a girl, man.
Yeah.
I'm just a girl.
Definition of
Just a girl.
I'm just a simple girl. Ongafuni names. I just. I'm from those names, man.
Just need some love.
Only that.
Okay, Umbuzo, you feel like sometimes amantombazana abengayo fumana uthando like from their mothers, fathers and families. Ufuna
Nah, I feel like that's an excuse, honestly.
njani hayibo ufuna uthando umama wakho so
That's an
obvious.
excuse for me. One, okay, let zanthethe ngam, ne? One, khulise ngumakhulu most of the time, and then I knew my mom. Okay, I thought my mom was my sister. I took her as my sister. Khange ayonto khange kuthani ndikhulise ngumakhulu. So mama
Ashes, dust.
Because these niggas be fucking with us.
so mom I thought the sister wa.
Yeah.
So khange ndifumane olathando okamama khulise ngumakhulu wami. Then after my grandmother passed away, kungona yes, I started bonding with my mom, and then that was Makhulu wami Bhubhe 2017, and then that was that 2017 up until 2018 was with my mom. So we didn't have that daughter and mother relationship or whatsoever. Hence, I'm saying for me, the excuse lanto yoba okay, akhange ufumane uthando endlini. Goku will find. I don't know my father. Andimazi nobuphi. Andikhathali futhi noba uyaphila.
So but for me, I like yeah, unotata boyumbaka dog. Shout out to you. Now I feel like unfortunately, like you don't know love because your grandmother was there for you.
Yeah.
She gave. Now that's why. Umakulam and mama so like at 2008 time 2014 or 2013.
Yeah.
But we never had a relationship now. But I never felt like another Zal because my mom was there. So that's why when I'm trying to live, like uthanda omunye umuntu uzothi andithanda kumbe ndoyikho I only thanda ngamakhulu I'm just the only person ndiyazi uba ngeke andijikele bomini you see so kakuzomunye uthando lu-foreign obvious noba ungathatha enye inja yangapha uzoyifaka kwinja zakho apho obvious sezizoba intimidated so ndifila njalo na xa i-charity yandithanda I don't believe yabo so yeah.
So hence I'm saying that's an excuse about when I come from uthando koyini wena whatsoever ngoku ngifune madodeni.
Oh, I also have questions. La question leya mina sibinthe ibhala pha egroupini le hose. I know this one is not for you. This one is not for you.
Okay. J Pablo qalile.
Nah, ndiyabuza.
Now qalile J Pablo.
Yeah, I'm sure mselapha.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Qalile J Pablo.
So do you feel like guys being a hoe sometimes save you from a lot of things? Usikhula hayibo.
She's not lying.
But we are not saying we are hoes or something.
I'm just putting it out there. Nizawukhula niphambane because ayibhalwanga.
Abashoni. Hayibo size.
Ayibhalwanga esiboots. But
Yeah, man. Me, I feel like sometimes yeah, ne. Ish, like this boy.
Okay.
Back in my days.
Yeah, like when
Back in my days, I was always the side nigga. So
So you could see a lot.
Now I understand
You could see a lot.
why
Ubona-
being a
ubona
main nigga is very,
ubona
very much
lukhulu.
dangerous.
View yakho
Yeah, yeah.
What if you're the main nigga? If you are king,
Yeah, ulapha ebulininzi kapha so
Nero. Understand?
he's a boy venda. He's a boy. Hey, madoda into esizenzileyo ibalulekile whole phase ebomini. Do you also believe that as a girl you must have a whole phase?
I've never had that, so I do not believe it's necessary.
Dangerous.
I'm not one person who would have.
Whole phase is not about ulala nalomjita
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm not saying that. I'm saying I'm not a girl that has or who would have multiple boyfriends or whatsoever. I'm not into that. So
No, it
Do
could
you
be.
feel like it's
It could be not having it, but
but
it could be bar. Okay, sure.
entertaining multiple niggas?
You don't want a relationship. Understand? Uthi single kubo bonke abantu odibana nabo.
yeah.
Understand? So that could be a whole phase yakho leyo. Understand?
Me saying no to every guy.
Entertaining every
but
nigga.
you are entertaining them at the end of the day. Yabo?
Well, why is that?
So your whole phase naleyo.
I know.
Ay.
Yeah, I could have blown.
Ay. Colored.
Continue like fire. Yeah. So there's a thing up endiyifound out leyo yazobendikhula because nini nemdasi badala.
Esibadala
Badala.
Anime ubudala benu man. Noqhayisela abantu ubudala benu.
sibona singaka nje sibadala
Yeah, kubona isibhedlela.
zimana nje
Yeah, sibadala.
sibadala
Sina 6 years gqibela isikole ne. Think
Kubeni
2021, 5
Yeah.
years.
Yeah.
5 years, 6 or 5.
6
Yeah.
For me, it's 4 now.
But umdala unaye yethu. Age sibadala qa. So do you feel like bakhona abazali abathakatha abantwana babo just because they'll say ndiphumelele ligqwetha
yeah
ndifuna umsebenzi ndiyawusebenza njani making example like ndifundile ndayivarsity became a lawyer dang sharp grand ndafuna umsebenzi graduate namhlanje next month ndifuna umsebenzi family like nami nobomi wafana ukuqala so abazali I think bafeel like
entitled
the minute ngiqala usebenza fana hoye bona
yeah entitled
yazi xa ungasebenziyo you don't have problems financial problem the minute for umsebenzi
vela phezulu
More money, no problem.
so do you feel like bakhona
I
abazali
never have no problems nemali na online.
so do you feel like bakhona abazali abathakatha abantwana batsha because abafeel like abanakekela like fully ngendlela
The way bona
bafuna ngayo yeah
yo sana uphakathi oh yes yeah yeah so I do think ikhona lonto it exists because what do you mean
Sekuzanga, uyiwa bangaka.
Phakathi Johnny andifundele man angibona ngithele ebusuku Bajila to
I know like this pay more 50,000
No. Yo.
ngapena namhlanje after 2 days or next
Minimum income, iyo ke leyo.
Helile
Minimum income.
Umsebenzi spend more 20k but not now I know start up is
Xa singazichaza ndiyasithakatha nyhani.
Abasakatha nyhani.
Sithakatha nyhani ke ngoku.
I feel like mna le phase kufundisa ba indlela imali iphathwa njani
Yeah.
the minute pay imali encinci you know okay guys xa ufumana imali ezinkulu you know how to handle imali ezinkulu
Yeah. So you feel like it's important to let youth uba okay they have to start up like kwalapha ezantsi and then they know how to manage money at a young age.
Yes, I started working in salon and in
Are.
I think it was 60-40.
Maneverkiso vakana.
Fuck to you, Maria.
Ek maar net môre op maar net weer die fellas almal hotel met die
Ja, is reg so. Is reg so.
Okay, meneer.
Dankie baie. So, yeah, basically,
Oh yeah.
okay.
My first paying job, I was working a salon,
Yeah,
and then
Five Bloom?
Yeah, in Bloom,
yeah.
and then
Time, I think.
in Bloom, and then
How many minutes was that? You leave out umsebenzi wakhe lo. How many minutes was that?
Continue, money viewers. Continue.
so yeah, but ndiqale pha usebenza nemali, and then I had to maintain myself.
Kawenze.
I had to buy a toiletry. Okay, let me not say ndiqale pha usebenza ngemali, because I remember in grade 12 I had to do yonke into for mna.
Yeah.
And then I started doing hair, looking show me, and then learners and whatsoever. La malana, la 200, and I had to budget. Okay, 200.
Budget with 200.
Yeah, you budget to 200. So we budget for a week.
I go student life.
Let me tell you, the 200 and ndingayigqiba like 3 weeks ndikilana just bane alone.
Man, chips the 15 rand.
15 rand 3 weeks igqibe so
You
iziyimini utye
budget.
noodles zespan 10 rand 5 rand
Nah, nigga, andixelela wona have ifridge yami igcwele then uba
sometimes ebomini like izinto uyaziplana but azihamba ngendlela ofuna ngayo.
Yeah.
So formula wekini le 200 ifridge igcwele kuya ngobanxa sibhango 7 dog uma ngo past 5 to 6 uyabuya udiniwe minutes ume 9 hours imini wonke okumile thina nabantu abane attitude ne-attitude ufika pha uthi zopheka ngokancinci
God.
uvusa i-alarm ngengomso u-6 uzoyithatha ixesha lopheka
awunakutya.
so sometimes fanele wenze okay the 200 ndiyayazi for inyanga yonke 3 weeks actually ngaveki yokugqibela izoqala upheka encane.
Kubula nuzawufasa masipoil.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah. Okay, coming back to guys, this is an educational purpose episode. Mental health, na yonke laa nto.
Yeah.
Like
How to deal with.
how to deal with izinto zomhlaba.
Sorry for ukungena emnyonyeni.
Thetha boy.
Emnyonyeni. Xala Tony, I'm not Xhosa there, so
Yeah.
understand.
Thetha boy.
Anyway,
Yeah.
you know, khona la nto iqhubeka after your mom has passed away or whatsoever, can you parent? Yeah, and then your family would go like, don't need anything and whatsoever. We are going to provide to you and whatsoever. Yeah, but I saw my life after my mom's death. I saw in life without a parent. So yeah, man. Kuningi nje.
Uyathanda utatsha kwi-questions esingekatashi kuzo uvese kuthethe loo nto ithini nawe man. Do you think like parents like is like if your family has passed on and then like ushiye nabo, do you think they use like back trainer to the point yokuba like they want to be competitive instead of supportive? You abafethu hayi afuna nibe ngutitshala wesilungu man. Ndiyekeni yeah.
They do, man. They do. Khumbule family xa iqala ukubona ne okanye xa iqala ubona ba okay you're prospering and whatsoever.
Nah.
Ubomi buba kuyaphucuka and then uzazibona izinto.
Yeah.
See, but okay, who are the real ones who are not? And who've been pretending and whatsoever.
Stand up. Yeah. Okay, so guys, now I'm just grateful to women, Mom Tina, who took care of me.
W Mom Tina, bro.
Dog, she's the only woman I know as a mother in this world. The rest, fuck you all.
Definitely she had a choice.
My mother also like Nina 5 years, so I don't know. Kaubuso back in the bonus big chin. Mother. Talk about mama. She's not a mother to me. She's a mother to my child.
Self-experience.
Tell I'm no one could slay na. She mama. So she's gonna be a mother to my child. I'm gonna be a father to that child.
See.
I don't know. I feel I'm a father to her.
Yeah,
when she's around 13 years old, 14, there's someone in the Mizan who's been there, until I could be scholar, young alone, at Bowser chat and the others.
And the new generation, let's if we meet the take responsibility, be a better father.
They tell me nowadays.
Exactly. It is present fathers these days. Okay, now we have to tell there's present fathers out here. Yes, kata nimitsoni bancinci man.
But kuyafuneka ukuthi simncenge dog so that nje ubutsha bakho ngakho. Yes. Awuzo umithu. Imagine umithu na 44. Umntana wakho xa una 60. Ula ngaphi? Ugile graduation umntana una 80.
Shobene V 40.
That's your brother, dog. That's not your choice. Nah. Okay, got the question.
Where do you want to touch on that, nigga? Where do you want to touch? You want me to?
You want to say something? Should have used something you have to say.
Come on, Johnny. No. Oh, hey.
Alright, okay, good.
Come on, dude.
Ay, man.
Come on, hey.
Come on, pendulum, Joe.
But where's the takeaway, boy?
Don't pendulum, man.
Yeah?
Don't pendulum.
Yes or no?
Have you ever been a takeaway?
Yes or no?
Yes or no? No.
No.
Okay, yeah, sure.
But shout out to you, though. Shout out to you, though. Lying.
Hey.
Why are you lying? Why are you lying?
Tolwa is
We know
in.
you're lying.
Okay. Explain. Explain.
Cola now.
Yeah. Now explain ukutholwa kwakho. Please.
Kulesihlanu ne ichomi zakho iveki yonke ziyakuxelela uba ikusechomi le weekend see on yabo nivumelane nonke nechomi zakho uba ni on le weekend sure Friday Queen yes ngiyamthanda utshwala bra okay nivumelane sharp nechomi zakho on that Friday ne Riyanphazamisa le njengoba nithethe ndizimamele okay on that Friday ne nivumelane nonke neetshomi zakho ba akho mntu ozogoduka nomntu ubani nonke nizogoduka sam ne ngomgqibelo nifike groove niba 3 neetshomi zakho
Yeah.
kuvela i-ex yalo uyi-1 athi hayi tshomi ndisayothetha nosanele rho aphume bucala nosanele phela i-3 hours oke behambe nosanele isheke niyithule itshomi wakhe itshomi wakhe ine-boyfriend ne So now i-boyfriend yakhe kubethana ngamehlo nazi eye contact bahamba kuphunywe kwenjenje utshomi wakhe ayive nyhani ngoku ile briza yakhe ihla ngomlenze ayabawelana kakuhle ne-boyfriend yakhe baphume bucala itshomi yaba bantu ibihamba naba bantu kushiyeke yena sam nawe ke ngoku nincokole just start the conversation, you know, just go lively, you know, ncokole. Next thing you know, things happen, awuyazi nawe kanjani senilapho ubuso bakho phambi kobuso bakhe jiki mathu hayi nawe uyayiva unge mhlawumbe umlenze le breeze
ayibizi into eqhubeka kule breeze
kwenzeke ke ukuba nomjita indlu yakhe ayikokude apha kule ndawo niphume kuyo
Hey, Ntule.
thola ukuthi uyagodola umjita yebo okanye ushiye isitovu si-on phaa endlini athi mkhaphi ayocima isitovu athi mkhaphi icima isitovu nihambe noba yi-2 nyhani yocima isitovu xa nifikayo phaa isitovu
kucinywa nezitofu xa utshintshile i-pick-up line yenu akusake ayikho leyayo
ndicingayo nje khale nje masithetha njengoba kucinye sisombane kulayithwe sisakhe isitovu kuyatesta uba siku-6 okanye sikubani so Chomi, has something like that happened? I'm not saying something like this.
No, Chomi.
Okay, nasuka nje mall and then you guys went to go do your thing.
Nanaba.
Someone specific, just the scenario. Yeah.
Bandit.
Yeah, let's let's go back. Question of level.
Okay.
Because I think now it's been an hour now. Are you dealing with a family member? I feel like entitled windows ako. Like yung lenza ibomini, you feel like you find umxalela kid.
Kanye umlo hotspot the beef.
Like.
Hi, my hotspot. Okay.
Yeah, I'm sure you question has it. Like umlo. Ufuna uyazi uba upeya malini, hlala njani, nabani, phi. Ufuna like uba ne-control over your life. Are you dealing nomuntu onjalo? It doesn't have to be umbize call out, but kanye wakawaki situation enjalo.
Yeah, I've been in such situation.
How do you deal nabantu abanjalo?
As I said before, I'm one person ongathanda uthetha okanye uthetha ngengxaki zami.
Yeah, basically like way uba i-families feel entitled uba xa uthenga into for ibrother yakho kanye umntana wakho ufana uthengele umntana ka-sister wakho.
I feel like they feel like that because bona xa besenza benzela abantwana bethu, ne? But at the end of the day, from now it's not a must yoba umenzele lo waka sister wakho kanye whatsoever cousin or whatsoever. The close situation yoba okay xa ndithengele ibrother yam I have to buy. Kaloku remember asebenza umsebenzi ospace imali eninzi man. If ever ndikwazi uyenzela ubrother wam this month and then rest assured next month awenzela lo omnye. But ngenxa yoba wena uyanforsa uba mandimenzele. It doesn't work like that.
Abafuna understand.
Natu sana ibingathi pay amawaka amaninzi gqithi. So for me, I command la feeling. It's not nice at all because uba under pressure. Uzawusuke uyoboleka imali koomashonisa and whatever just to prove, just to prove okanye just to satisfy bona.
Balekile imbongolo. Benazo imbongolo, music credit score.
Khaba imbongolo.
So yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there something you wanna add?
What's the question?
Uyalasta na.
Yeah, last up, boy.
Quinton.
Like
Quinton, yeah.
Wise.
Emthandaneni. So there's mine? Yeah, chuma.
Oh, no comment.
Okay.
Yeah, allowed.
Am I allowed to say no comment? No comment. I'm allowed to say that one.
No, peer answers now.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Nami mvashoni ikike in. No,
I think
peer
yeah,
answers.
last. I do not last.
What is there to last for?
Do you know? Okay. For me, I feel like okay. You know what? You're too serious for me.
Too serious.
Yeah, I'm too serious.
What is
for you.
too serious?
I'm
Focus too much in life.
that. I'm too serious.
Since you focus in life in here.
I do
Yes.
not. One thing about me, I'm not for short term things or whatsoever.
Boy.
I'm there for a long time. No, no. And from the get go, I'll tell you about, you know what, inje indo. So it's up to you about your shalokanyo yam.
No, like me actually.
I think depend lile question yako kanye.
What's your longest relationship?
Let me count. Let me count. You can say 2 to 3 years. Yeah, 2 to 3 years. But I was back in I was still in, no, I was staying in Bloom. I think back in 2022, 2022, 3, 4.
That was
24,
2023,
I came this side, yeah.
2022, 2023.
2024, December I came back.
That side.
Yeah. So yeah,
2023.
2022, 2023, 2024.
So was it a brother from here?
Was he a colored or a black person?
Andiziva nxa kandiziva kanithethatha. Yiva man. This nigga don't want my Hillary Classic.
So umsebenzi wakho umamela notuthetha ndathanda uthetha yabonga ukuya yasibhudisa basithi abajongile baya-record qala. I'm not podcasting, I'm talking here. Fuck that nigga. What is podcasting? Podcasting is me. I'm that nigga.
Yeah, do the blue thing, nigga.
I'm that nigga.
Yeah.
What? Bakanan. Mallory. Mallory.
The view.
How has been life for you right now?
Right now, I'm cruising nicely, man.
So there's my
Right
experience.
now, I'm cruising nicely.
Yeah.
It's good to see
We
that.
are past.
Yeah.
We are just cruising nicely.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Gee, we
The
are
economy is doing
Wonderfully.
wonderfully.
So guys, yeah.
Oh yeah, man.
Don't worry about the people. You wanna ask something? Ask this question, then it's okay. Take this mic.
Oh man.
Okay, Tawangne.
Yeah.
Ngiyacela Chuma. Please uphendule ne. Uzophendula.
It depends.
Uyabona yes PR answers.
Okay. Buza Chum.
Go for yours.
Okay.
My bad.
Thank you for the episode.
My bad.
Thank you for the episode.
My
Don't
bad.
forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe soon wako. Tell them to don't
They
forget.
must subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe.
And what?
And what?
View the video
And
up until
view.
the end.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank
if you didn't
you.
view the video up until the end, you're not the ingredient.
See.